The P0335 code for a Honda typically indicates a problem with the crankshaft position sensor, CKP. This sensor is crucial for engine timing and performance. Here are some common causes and solutions. Possible causes: faulty crankshaft position sensor. The sensor itself may be malfunctioning. Wiring issues: damaged or corroded wiring/connectors related to the sensor. Timing belt/chain issues. Misalignment or damage could affect sensor readings. ECM problems: a faulty engine control module could misinterpret sensor data. Here are common signs you might experience. Engine misfires: you may notice rough idling or misfires during acceleration. Stalling: the engine may stall unexpectedly, especially at low speeds. Difficulty starting: you could have trouble starting the engine, or it may not start at all. Reduced engine performance: acceleration might feel sluggish or unresponsive. Check engine light: the check engine light will likely illuminate. Solutions: inspect the sensor. Check the crankshaft position sensor for any visible damage or wear. Check wiring: look for frayed wires or loose connections in the sensor circuit. Test the sensor: use a multimeter to check the sensor's resistance and output. Check timing components: ensure the timing belt or chain is properly aligned and in good condition. Clear codes and test drive: after repairs, clear the code and test drive to see if it reappears.